Hello beautiful people. Today in this video we are going to talk about Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Multi-Recovery Synchronized Complex. It took multiple takes, you know. Do you see this beauty here? This is the most hyped up and quite expensive serum of Estee Lauder's. Let's talk about the packaging of this serum. This serum comes in a plastic bottle with a dropper. It looks so luxurious, you know, and it contains 7 ml of the product. But there are many good ingredients in this product. The main ingredient and the star ingredient of this product is Bifida or Bifida ferment lysate, which is a probiotic ingredient. Now probiotic means this is made up of a good bacteria which helps to keep our skin healthy. Bifida ferment lysate is obtained from the process of fermentation of a good bacteria species called Bifidobacterium. So this good bacteria species is mostly found in yogurt or curd. Studies have found that Bifida ferment lysate have anti-aging benefits. It hydrates our skin and strengthens our skin's immune system. It also reduces the inflammation and redness of skin and also reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Studies also show that it has anti-acne benefits. We have another probiotic ingredient here which is known as Lactobacillus ferment. This has very similar benefits as Bifido ferment lysate. It is most beneficial for the people with sensitive and acne prone skin. So Lactobacillus ferment is proven to reduce the size and redness of acne when compared to the most famous ingredient salicylic acid. We have Adansonia digitata seed extract which has vitamin A, E and D3. This seed extract offers us great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. We also have tripeptide 32 which is a synthetic peptide. It has skin restoring and moisturizing properties. And we have sodium hyaluronate which is a humectant. It is great for hydrating our skin. Sodium hyaluronate distributes the hydration evenly and blocks water loss. This is a very good ingredient if you have dull and dehydrated skin. Cola acuminata or cola seed extract helps to get rid of dead skin cells on our skin. And we also have caffeine. It is a very good antioxidant. It helps to fight free radicals. Free radicals are the molecules which cause fine lines, wrinkles and saggy skin. We also have sodium RNA which treats hypopigmentation and it also has anti-aging properties. So people with hypopigmentation skin or people with dark spots, this ingredient will be helpful for you. Next we have squalene. Squalene is an emollient which acts as a skin's own oil. Although it is an oil, it is very much non-comedogenic in nature. That means it does not cause clogging of pores and it does not cause breakouts. We have a bunch of humectant ingredients which hydrates our skin pretty well, makes our skin look plump, hydrated and gives it a very good glow. We also have bunch of emollients which prevents water loss and binds moisture to our skin. We also have skin soothing ingredients like lecithin, anthemis flower extract and yeast extract. These ingredients will be helpful in reducing the redness on the irritated skin. We also have anti-aging ingredients which are bisabolol and tocopherol acetate. These ingredients are used in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They also reduce the irritation caused due to the exposure of UV light. Remaining ingredients are emulsifiers, pH adjusters, thickening agents, texture enhancers and preservatives. We have red 4 and yellow 5 as the colorant ingredients in this product and we have hydrolyzed algin as the fragrant ingredient. These ingredients can be irritating if you have a sensitive skin. So people with sensitive skin, please avoid this product. But if you want to use this product, please do a patch test by taking a small amount of this serum and applying on this part of your skin. Leave it for 1 day and check the other day if you have any skin irritation here. Check it again the other day. If it continues to be okay for you, you can start using this product on your whole face. I have used quite a lot of this product. This product makes my skin very much moisturized and it hydrates my skin very well. It gives me a very good glow and it makes my skin look very plump and dewy in the morning. If I apply this serum overnight, I'll be ready for the next day's party. I highly suggest this product for bridal skincare. Regardless of the fragrant and colorant component, my skin didn't feel any irritation after using this product. But people with irritated skin, it might trigger acne or it might increase the irritation on your skin. If there are no colorants and fragrant components, it would have been much better. That is the only drawback of this product. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine. I picked 1250 rupees for 7 ml. This 7 ml product will last me for 1 month. My request to the brand would be to reduce the price of this product, otherwise to increase the quantity of this product. So yeah, this is my video about the
Estee Lauder's ANR again. Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum.
So if you liked my video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And you know what? I'm going to post my hair care videos soon. So please subscribe to my channel and enable the notification icon and stay tuned. Until then, bye bye.